First of all, you need to clean the cupboard to get rid of all grease, dirt and cobwebs. Either use soapy water or white spirit and let it dry thoroughly. Once the cupboard is ready, we will apply the wrap to the frame first, starting with the base, then the sides, then the top, so any overlaps won't allow any water ingress. Simply peel off the vinyl for the base strip and hold it up to the frame, making sure it is centred and the back of the vinyl is aligned to the wall. Then, keeping the strip taut, press the vinyl against the front of the frame all the way along, and gently smooth down across the vinyl onto the frame. At the corners, you will need to cut out notches to allow you to fold the corners neatly. You can then press the vinyl round the lip of the frame. Now repeat this process for the other two sides. If you have an exterior cable entering the box, you will need to cut out a section of vinyl to accommodate this. For the hinges, make two horizontal cuts to the edge of the vinyl, one at the top and one at the bottom of the hinge. Once you've done this, make one final cut to remove the section of the vinyl where the hinge is. Now simply press and smooth the vinyl into place. Having completed the base and the two sides, finally apply the top strip. With the frame done, all that remains is the door. Make sure you have the vinyl the right way up, with the mortar lines aligned with the wall and the Wrap and Hide logo at the bottom. To begin, peel back a few inches of the vinyl, leaving the backing attached to the rest. Hold the vinyl taut and line it up to the top of the door, allowing a few millimetres overlap to fold over the top of the door. Make sure you are centred and horizontal before pressing the vinyl down along the top. Use a plastic scraper or something similar to expel any air. Pull off a few more inches of the backing and smooth down the vinyl in stages as you progress down the door. Once the door is covered, make sure all air bubbles are either pushed out to the edge or, if necessary, take a pin and make a hole at one end of the air bubble, then with a scraper push the air towards the pinhole and it will gently disappear. When you reach a hinge, make two horizontal cuts in the edge of the vinyl, at the top and the bottom of the hinge. Now having made the cuts, only press the section of vinyl over the hinge and leave the upper and lower strips unattached, as we will come back to them at the end. For the keyhole, simply press the vinyl down so you can see the position, then cut around the hole with a sharp knife and remove the excess vinyl, pressing the edge down firmly around the hole. Now simply press the edges around the edge of the door. At the corners, make a small diagonal cut to allow you to fold the corners down neatly. Finally, using a sharp knife, slice off the excess vinyl at the edge of the door. And to finish, press and smooth the vinyl into place. And there you have it, job done. Your Wrap and Hide is now complete.